Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today to do an unboxing of the Mercy Tiara kits. So I am a guest designer this month, and I look forward to sharing all kinds of projects with you with this generous. Wow, these kits are amazing. So I got a little notebook. You could do some planning in there, some sketches. I thought that was pretty cool. And then we'll start with the main kit and then go from there. So with the main kit, I love that you get alphas as well as embellishments with these kits. And you also get some sequins. Check that out. All right, so let's start with, I'm going to put this on this side. So you get doilies, which is really cool to go with. Just to soften some things. It kind of has a vintage feel to it. And I'm not going to lie, Sarah and I are going to use this for our November Heritage, our Old Stories, New Ways series. So you've got these doilies that are super cool. Check out these sequins. They're flat sequences and they go perfectly with the colors in the kit, obviously. And again, this is the Gather main kit. Then you have these wood veneer accents from Pink Fresh Studio. And I worry about the glare when we're filming. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. You could keep them on the wood, or you could also just pull them off. To me, these are two-dimensional. I love the designs, but I will probably alter these. Then you also get the Frames and Tags ephemera pack cardstock from, not cardstock, die-cut cardstocks from Echo Park from the I Love Fall collection. And you can see, I hope you can see without the glare, all of what's there. So lots of, a couple of frames, some fun journaling spots. Then you also get, these are the thickers, they're called Fallish, that go with the American Crafts Farmstead Harvest collection. So some of those are gold foiled, which is super cool. I love these houses down the bottom. And you'll have seen me use some of those from a previous kit. And then for your alphas, you have these black Color Vibe stickers. They're not stickers because that's branded to AC, but foam alpha stickers and numbers and some cool accents there. Then the pattern paper. So I will also tell you that the pattern paper that you get with the kit is exactly the same in the pattern paper add-on. So if you're a 2-pager person, you might want to definitely subscribe to that. So a nice tone-on-tone blue. This is from Pink Fresh and Upside Down. So this is from the Lovely Blooms collection. I love how that coordinates with that and the blue. And then you have a bunch of leaves you could fussy cut or leave as they are. Also from the Lovely Blooms collection, lots of florals, and then a tone-on-tone B-side. This is Echo Park, so some fall leaves, tone-on-tone. Flip it over, and some fun trees. Yeah. Then this is from the Acorn Lane collection from Simple Stories. And the acorns, look at how well they go. They're not the same collection, but they coordinate perfectly. So Tracy's done a fantastic job of putting a kit together here. So, upside down. So those are very fall-y. Look at those mushrooms. They'd be fun with some dimensional dots on there. And then that tone-on-tone. Another piece from Acorn Lane. And some 4x6 pocket cards, which is super awesome. Actually, they're 4x6 and 6x4, right? Well, one 6x4, but still, you could cut that out for a title. And then I Love Fall from Echo Park. Some more foliage. So you can see a very fall-themed kit here, but you could use it for not fall too, right? Just the richness of colors that are there. Fall Fun from Cardabella. Some sunflowers with lantern. More fall fun. In fact, the next two are fall fun from Cardabella. Tone-on-tone green. Ooh, look at those sunflowers. And pumpkins with a tone-on-tone plaid blue. And then this is, who is this? This is more American Crafts Farmstead Harvest. I don't know why I'm struggling with that. So this is a yellow plaid, and then more fall leaves. So again, I won't go through the pattern paper add-on because it's literally all the same pattern papers. So that is what you get in the main kit. If you get the embellishment kit, because I'm a guest designer, have a slightly different collection of goodies, but I will tell you what the difference is, and we can go from there. So you will get a half a pack of frames, but because Tracy didn't have the wood veneers, they're leaves. They're super cool, like the veins of the leaves. She gave me a full pack. So just be aware if you subscribe or if you go to purchase the kit that is the difference. But check out these stitched frames from 49 and Market. They are so cool, and they would be perfect on my vintage layout. I love it. Then you also get these puffy stickers from Farmstead Harvest. So a lot of the similar elements that are in the foam stickers, just on a smaller scale. And then for additional letters, you get these lovely green puffy alphas from Pink Fresh Studio. Also from Pink Fresh Studio are some fun frames. Like, you could go crazy with these frames. How cool is that? And then you also have these stickers from Echo Park I Love Fall. So you could, I mean, they totally coordinate, right? There's not a lot of blue in this, but they work with the blue and the grays and the greens. They tie each other in. Yay! So that is the embellishment add-on. And then we also have the, I'm going to stumble over this, but I'm going to, Small But Mighty kit. So if you are a pocket page person and want smaller patterns, this is definitely the way to go for that. So you have the Farmstead Harvest 6x8 paper pad. It also has some foiling, so 36 sheets. I will just kind of flip through that. I like that it's single-sided, and you've got the gold foil, but definitely the smaller patterns, which is great for smaller pocket pages or even your memory planner. I can see using this for my memory planner. Then for letter options, you have additional letter options that coordinate perfectly with the kit, of course, and that's from Color Vibe, their fall, Simple Stories Fall. And then this is this is part of the pad from Simple Stories, and I'm gonna guess it's the fall pad too. And so you've got some great cardstock options there to create pockets, fun pockets with. So then, in addition, with the final option that you have to add on to your kit, this is the cardstock. So here's some really cool copper. This is cream copper foil, and this is from Echo Park. I love Echo Park, the texture in Echo Park's cream, and their cream is see how different their cream color is from the walnut cream of Basil. And then you've got 2 sheets of the walnut cream. I'm pretty sure, yep, 2 sheets. And then 2 sheets of the Festive, so it's sort of an orange with it's textured polka dot. And then you've got 2 sheets of the, trying to read it and can't read it, Typhoon blue. So be sure to check out the description box down below for information to subscribe and or purchase a one-off. Be sure to come back November, the 3rd Thursday in November, where Sarah and I will share our heritage projects that we've created with this. And then I am sure there will be tons of other projects that you will see as the month goes by. So thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.